Is an agent crucial to publishing success?
I think we might have talked about this at the end of the class we took with you
Yeah.
semesters ago.
Crucial, success, those are really difficult words to sort of answer.
I think that was my question. Sorry.
It's a good question. But, success, I don't know, is really hard to...
It's just
Could
like
you do it without an agent? I mean, I guess
I
you
would
could.
say these days, no.
No?
I mean, it's possible. It's possible in the field of writing for children and young adults that you can get published without an agent. It's, I think, pretty much impossible in the field of adult literature, or any other kind of literature.
Okay.
Why is that?
Because the children's field is still small enough, and I think there's more sort of networking and word of mouth.
Okay.
If you go to conferences and you meet an editor, if you take a workshop with a editor, or you can actually get to know that editor, and then they'll say, sure, send me something. So there's a little more of that goes on, but not as much as there used to be.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And there are a lot of publishing companies that won't look at anything unless it comes in from an agent. So I would say anyone who's starting and trying to get published now, to get an agent is probably crucial.
Okay. How would you go about finding an agent, especially one interested in what you're writing?
Yeah. Go on the internet, look up agents, connected with whatever you're interested in writing, cookbooks, or, you're doing fiction. Sorry, this is a fiction interview.
Yeah.
So, but if, you're writing, I don't know, erotic fiction, literature agents, look up something like that. You'll find them. That's probably the best way. And they all have nice websites that say what they're looking for and how to submit. It's pretty easy. It just takes a little bit of time.
Is that how you did it, or was it just...
No, I mean, I started a long time ago. I started before the internet. So, yeah. I had to look at books and
It's so easy nowadays.
talk to people and, yeah. And actually just send things sort of blindly,
Yeah.